Presenting Tulip Revolving Chair by Urban. The box contains seat cushion attached with armrest, mechanism and mesh back, nylon base with casters, gas lift, and tower belly. Insert the gas lift into the center hole. Place the tower belly on the gas lift. Hold the seat cushion upright. Align center hole over the gas lift. Push seat cushion down to secure connection. Press up the lever to allow the seat to rise. Press the lever with body weight to allow seat to lower. Pull control handle out to tilt the chair. Push control handle in to stop the chair from tilting. Backrest tension. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to bend backwards. Rotate the knob clockwise to reduce rocking.